Introducing the Predator 4400-watt inverter generator. Powerful, versatile, reliable, smart, with RV-ready design. An easy-starting Predator 223cc engine delivers maximum performance and legendary reliability. Packing 4,400 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, more than enough power to keep your RV air conditioner running, as well as backup essentials at home. Featuring inverter technology that makes this generator lighter and quieter than traditional generators. Electronic speed control maximizes fuel efficiency, delivering over 16 hours of runtime per fill-up. And pure sine wave inverter technology provides clean power for sensitive electronics, like TVs, laptops, and more. Integrated USB ports charge your smart devices. CO Secure automatically shuts the generator down for safety if harmful amounts of carbon monoxide are present. The Predator 4400-watt inverter generator. Powerful, versatile, reliable, and safe.